thing that God does when he restores the call is that he confirms his will. He confirms his will. Verses 11 through 13, God reiterates, if you will, what his will is for Jacob, which was really the promise that he'd given to Abraham and something that he wanted to accomplish over and over and over again. And I am so amazed at this principle because it's life-changing. God confirms his will. You know, a lot of us think that God just tells us what his will is, maybe once, maybe twice, and then it's up to us to go and do it and figure it out. Do you notice that in the scriptures, over this passage that's mentioned here is referred to over 75 times. Over 75 times, God confirms his promise, his will concerning the land he had in store for Israel. Not once or twice, over 75 times, God confirms it. This is my will. This is what I want. Listen, God wants you to know his will. The question is, how badly do you want to know it? When God restores the call on your life, he will confirm his will.
Only by your blood, and it's only through your blood.